Hydraulic Detachable Gooseneck Trailer. Before operating this trailer, read and be familiar with all of the safety warnings in the safety section of your manual, especially in the operating safety section. As with all heavy equipment, it is important to exercise caution and to follow all customary safety procedures. If you don't have the owner's manual, please contact Trail King for a replacement. Trail King hydraulic gooseneck trailers are designed for easier one-person operation and to speed up and simplify loading. They allow the user to load equipment by driving it on at the front of the trailer. Before coupling to the trailer gooseneck, the following items must be checked. 1. Trailer brakes must be applied. 2. Gooseneck support must be fully retracted. 3. Gooseneck lock pin must be engaged. 4. Transport lock doors must be in open position. 5. If truck is equipped with air ride suspension, dump air. Hydraulic detachable gooseneck trailers. Coupling procedures. Back tractor up to front of trailer. Aligning trailer kingpin with center of tractor fifth wheel. Back tractor under upper deck of trailer until kingpin locks into tractor fifth wheel. Check to ensure kingpin is in locked position by pulling ahead before releasing trailer brakes. Connect all air and electrical lines between tractor and gooseneck. Hydraulic detachable gooseneck trailers. Loading and unloading procedures. Before beginning, make sure the brakes are applied to trailer. Disconnect air and electrical lines between gooseneck and trailer bed. Stow hoses into receded area. Insert key and start motor. Adjust choke and throttle as necessary. Raise the gooseneck off the transport lock doors by operating lift control on gooseneck arm. Safety warning. Be sure at all times to stand clear of the trailer deck in case of sudden loss of hydraulic pressure. Operate transport lock lever on gooseneck box to open transport lock doors. Disengage lock pin on gooseneck by moving lock pin switch to unlock position. Check to make sure gooseneck support is fully retracted. Lower gooseneck until front of trailer is resting on ground. Continue to lower the gooseneck until you get 1/4 inches to 1/2 inches clearance between the gooseneck stirrup hole and bottom of trailer pins. Lower gooseneck support arm on rear cross member of truck by operating gooseneck support control. Shut off engine before driving tractor and gooseneck away. Flip ramps, if equipped, and set for loading unloading equipment. Safety warning. Be sure to watch your step when loading and securing your load. Make sure to dump air before loading and unloading trailers with air ride suspensions. Hydraulic detachable gooseneck trailer. Return to transport. Before beginning, make sure the brakes are applied to trailer. Engage lock pin on gooseneck by moving the lock pin switch to lock position. Back tractor and gooseneck up to front of trailer bed so stirrups are around the front pins in trailer bed and against the front of bed. Minor adjustments to lift control may be necessary to achieve proper loading angle of gooseneck. Insert key and start motor. Adjust the choke and throttle as necessary. Operate gooseneck support control to retract gooseneck support arm. Operate lift control to raise gooseneck and trailer above transport height. Move the transport lock lever to the lock position. Then operate lift control to lower gooseneck onto transport lock doors. Make sure tractor and trailer brakes are applied. Connect air and electrical lines from trailer to gooseneck. If trailer is equipped with air ride suspension, make sure to return to proper transport height. Now you're good to go. For more information, visit us online at www.trailking.com or call us at 800-843-3324.